Yep. This one has the Sasquatch.
Yes.
Right?
Yep. 35-inch tires.
Is it Badland or?
Badland.
Okay.
High package. All right. So, stay bar connected. Stay bar disconnected. Under load. So we're going to go up in the sandbox here and use our trail turn assist. The trail turn is going to allow us to lock our inside and turn on our own radius. So I'm going to turn driver's side, great. It'll dig it and it'll turn. We want to go passenger side. Turn all the way over to passenger side and it'll rotate us all the way around. Just by locking that inside tire. We're having to back up on the trail. Alright, so we're going to go up top Bronco Mountain. It's 38 degrees up. And we're going to have stories. We're just going to put it in first gear. We're just going to walk straight up top.
Nice.
No problem.
You can actually compare these with our modern day Broncos, and you can see we got the grille and the headlights and the front end. We tried to keep it true. As you can see here, you got some, different options.
Oh, so the windows can come
Yeah,
out.
stuff like that.
Oh yeah, that's not bad either.